In this video, we'll write a Python function that will calculate and output the area and circumference of a circle. The function should take the radius of the circle as a parameter. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to find a function, I'll call it circle, that will take radius as its parameter. Alright, so first let's calculate the area. And the formula for that is pi times radius to the power of 2. And to do power in Python, it's simply 2 asterisks. But as you can see, I haven't defined pi yet. Python doesn't know what pi is simply by pi. So to solve that, pi has a math module that I can import. So I say import math, and then let me define this pi variable. So I say pi equals math.pi, and this is just a stored variable, a stored constant of a very long representation of pi in this module. So now I can use this where I need it. And so let me just print the area now. So I say print the area is, comma, and I'll pass in my area variable. And because it's area, I'll say squared units. Alright, so that's area. And let's see, we need to do circumference as well. So I can create a circumference variable. And the formula for that is 2 times pi times radius. And then I'll simply print that as well. So print the circumference is, pass in my circumference variable, and then comma units. Alright, so let's try calling it. So I'll call the circle function, and then I'll pass in a radius. Let's see, let's do 3. Sure. And let's try running it. Alright, so we get our area and we get our circumference, but as you can see, that's a lot of decimal places. So maybe you don't want that many decimal places in your representation, and to solve that, we can actually call a round function in Python. So it's just simply round, and then we'll pass in the area variable, comma, and then we'll say how many decimal places we want. So let's do 3, and we can do the same thing for circumference. So round, pass in our variable, comma, 3. Let me change this radius to 5, and let's try running it again, and voila. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.